Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Jotform login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in, stuck on the login page, or facing authentication errors, this guide will help you solve it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable before trying to log in again. Next, refresh the Jotform login page or restart your browser to clear temporary glitches. Now make sure you are entering the correct email address and password for your account. Next, if you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option and reset it through your email inbox. Now check your email spam or junk folder in case the reset link does not appear in your main inbox. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any stored login errors. Now try logging in using a different browser or switch to incognito mode. Next, disable VPNs, proxies, or browser extensions like ad blockers that may interfere with the login process. Now check if Jotform is experiencing a temporary outage and wait a few minutes before trying again. Finally, if the issue still continues, contact Jotform support and provide details about the error message you are seeing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Jotform login issues. You should now be able to access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.